No reason.
So this is us attempting to take a photo shoot at home.
It's not working out.
It's not working out. It's a lot of stress. I feel it for the photographer. I get all kind of prop trying to put into this.
She will not cooperate for no reason. As soon as I turn the camera off, she ready to smile and give you poses.
So good luck to this photographer that's gonna go.
When I take about 2 pictures and say,
Oh god.
when I make it one picture job.
She was like, this is the honest baby I go to. Oh! Don't make you want me to know that?
I think I'll come up that side and say, oh yeah, Pew. So what, your feet are never belt or something?
She never been my sister there suck breast.
Oh my goodness.
She look quick. So it's very time consuming to take photo at home, but whenever you have the time, you could just set up your place, get a nice area, and take your baby picture. Right, Cece? Right, Jamar? But yeah, you could definitely take your photo at home, because sometimes you do take it with a photographer. You gotta do a lot of shots till you get the right one. So this is our nice outfit from Walmart. You like this clothes? Why you look like that? Just cooling down. Go up. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I will definitely see you in my next. Ooh, bless you, bless you. I will definitely see you in my next video, and I have some nice shot that I get off the baby. Say good night, Jamar. Say good night, say. Guys, comment down below and let me know which picture is your best picture.